Today, I'll show you how to swap USDT to Bitcoin using Trust Wallet step by step. First, open the Trust Wallet app and log into your wallet. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see 5 main icons. Tap Swap, or alternatively, tap Trade in the bottom menu. At the top section, choose the coin you're paying with. Use the search bar if needed, and make sure the correct network is selected. If you tap the network icon, a menu opens where you can choose from many supported networks. In this example, we'll pay with USDT. In the lower section, choose the coin you want to buy. The selection works the same way. Simply find Bitcoin, tap on it, and continue. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to swap. The wallet will automatically calculate how much Bitcoin you'll receive. Tap Continue. A confirmation window appears. Here you'll see the transaction fee. In this case, the fee is paid in Tron tokens. If you don't have TRX, tap Top Up TRX now to buy some. Wait a short moment while the wallet processes the transaction. Once it's completed successfully, return to the main screen, tap Earn at the top, and you'll see your Bitcoin in your portfolio. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.